Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you to online English classes. In previous class, we started activity sheet 4, that is based on 2.3, The Homecoming, and 2.4, Lucy Gray. We already completed the passage. Few questions I gave you as a homework. I think this also completed. After then comes to question number 2. That was join each pair of sentences using the word given in bracket. In this also I gave you few questions as a homework. That to completed, students. Please pay attention in your studies. Complete your notes as soon as possible. After then, question number 3, sentence. I explain the sentence, what the meaning of sentence. After then, kinds of sentence. Then write one sentence for each of the following kinds of sentence. That also explain you. And question number 4, report each sentence as shown. This also completed. In this way we complete from question number 1 to question number 4 in previous class. Today we start from question number 5, that is, there is one mistake in each line of the words passage given below. Underline the mistake and write it correctly on the given space. Then what's the question? In first line, the worst parent all that night. Then which one the mistake here? Parent. I underline parent and I write it here parents. Understood? In first line, the worst parents all that night. First one parent, you write it parents. Now in second, went shouted far and wide. Then what you write here? You underline the shouted. This one is mistake here and you write it here shouting. Okay. After then, but there were neither sound nor sight. Here were, you underline were and you write it here was. Okay. To serve them for a guide. In place of TOO, you write it here TO. Okay. At daybreak on a hill they stood. Here you see, underline the daybreak. Here break spelling is wrong. What you have to write here? BREAK. That overlooked on and more. Then what the mistake here in this line? An. What you have to write here? In place of an, you write it the. Understood? And thence they saw the breeze of wood. You underline and you write it here and. Okay. Here end is your mistake and you write it here and. A furlong from this their door. A furlong from their door. What do you have to write here? You underline there, T-H-E-R-E, there, and you write it T-H-E-I-R. Okay. Now question number 5 is completed. I think understood. Now comes to question number 6. Rearrange the word to form meaningful sentences. Then question number 1. Meat / vegetables / cheaper / a lot / then / are. What do you have to write here? Vegetables are a lot cheaper than meat. What do you have to write here? Vegetables are a lot cheaper than meat. After then you put full stop. Vegetables are a lot cheaper than meat. After then you put full stop. What is the second question? A / of / vegetarian / Christian / number / are. What do you have to write here? A number of Christian are vegetarians. What do you have to write here? A number of Christians are vegetarian. Now comes to question number 3. Kill / food / elephant / no animal / for its / an. Then what do you have to write here? An elephant kills no animal for its food. Understood? What do you have to write here? An elephant kills no animal for its foods. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Biggest / is / the elephant / land animal / of / the. What do you have to write? The elephant is the biggest of land animals. This one easy. You have to write it. The elephant is the biggest of land animals. Question number 5. Modern / favors / vegetarian / science / food / medical. What the answer? Modern medical science favor vegetarian food. Understood? Now comes to question number 6. Animals / feel / people / eat wrong / for food / some / to kill. Then what's the answer? Some people feel it wrong to kill for food. Some people feel it wrong to kill animals for food. Okay. Now comes to question number 7. That is last question. Ground / and scattered / we spray / the poison / the fields / on the. What do you have to write here? We spray the fields and scatter the poison on the ground. Understood? What do you have to write here? We spray the field and scatter the poison on the ground. Then we see what's the next. Next is your adjective. Understood? What's your next? Adjective. Then what's the meaning of adjective here? What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. See, an adjective describes or modifies noun and pronoun in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feeling, content, and more about a noun or pronoun. Adjectives usually provide relevant information about the noun or pronoun, or to say they modify or describe by answering the question, or to say adjective is a word or group of words which modify noun or pronoun. But a noun, you know what's the meaning of noun? Noun is a name of person, place, thing. And what is pronoun? See, in pronoun, what do we use? He, she, you, I, they, we, it, this, that, this, those. This all are your pronoun. Noun you know very well. I know that. Now comes to this all are your examples for adjective. See here, black, blue, green, these all are colors, size, shape, taste. These all are your adjective. See in book what's the given definition. An adjective is used before a noun or after a linking verb. A linking verb is a verb that connects a subject with a noun or a adjective. Some of the linking verbs are be in bracket, is, slash, am, are, was, were, been, etc. Okay. Now what's the meaning of linking verb? Now comes to linking verb. Say without linking verb, your sentence will be incomplete. When you add the linking verb with noun or pronoun, it connects with the sentence. Example given here, the linking verbs. Some of the linking verbs are is, am, are, was, were. These all are your linking verb. Here you see some examples are given that is related to adjective. What's the example? He was unhappy. When we say unhappy, it shows that it is related to he. Only unhappy is not a complete sentence. He was unhappy. That means here he is a pronoun and unhappy is a adjective. That it gives information about the unhappy and it gives the additional information. Understood? It seemed hungry. Here she is your pronoun. Seemed is your verb third form and hungry is your adjective. Now who is hungry here? She. That gives us additional information about she. This is a useful book. See, this is your pronoun, is your linking verb, is your article, useful is your adjective and book is your noun. Understood? This is your pronoun, is your linking verb, is your article, useful is your adjective and book is your noun. Like that only. Question number 4. Lina has been very helpful. Helpful is your adjective as you know. Question number 5. These flowers are very beautiful. Here beautiful is your adjective. Question number 6. His voice sounded strange on the phone. Strange is your adjective. See, in this way, you know about the adjective. Which one is adjective here? Unhappy is your adjective, hungry is your adjective, useful is your adjective, helpful is your adjective, beautiful is your adjective, and strange is your adjective. Only adjective is not a complete sentence. If you write it only adjective, unhappy, hungry or useful, that's not complete a sentence. You have to connect it with the noun or pronoun. Understood? Now comes to question number 7. Write sentence of your own using the given linking verb in the following pattern. I explain it. You know how to write. That's subject first, then linking verb, then adjective. See here, you can use any form of given linking verb. Then feel. What the first question? Feel. You have to write it with this word. I need some rest. Example is given here. I need some rest. I am feeling very tired. See here how it's used subject, linking verb and adjective. I need some rest. I am feeling very tired. In this way, second question, look. How you write it here? Look. She is looking outside. Or what you want, you can write it. Okay, I gave you as example. This all are your homework and you have to do it in your own. Only I gave you as a example, that is look, look. She is looking outside. This all are your homework. You do it. Question number 8. Put the word in the right order to make meaningful sentence. What the first question? Like / jacket / I / that / black. What do you have to write? I like that black jacket. What do you have to write? I like that black jacket. Second, new / leave / house / they / a / in. This one very easy. They live in a new house. They live in a new house. What is the third question? Had / wonderful / a / we / holiday. How you write? We had a wonderful holiday. We had a wonderful holiday. Question number 4. And you put full stop in the last. It's very important to put full stop after the sentence. Question number 4. Music / like / do / classical / you. After then question mark. Then that means you have to write with interrogative form. Then how you write? Do you like classical music? How you write? Do you like classical music? After then what you have to put here? Question mark. Question number 5. Went / restaurant / a / Chinese / we / to. How you write here? We went to a Chinese restaurant. We went to a Chinese restaurant. After then what you put here? Full stop. Then question number 8 also completed. Now comes to question number 9. The word in the box are adjective or noun. Match a noun with a suitable adjective to fill in the blanks in each sentence. Then how you write it? See, that means in this question, noun and adjective both are given in the box and you have to match suitable noun with adjective. That means here noun and adjective both you write in the blank. Question number 1. Firefighting is a. You have to find out from this box. What you have to find? Firefighting is a dangerous job. First you write dangerous and after then you write it job. In same line like this I told you. Dangerous job. Understood? Firefighting is a dangerous job. Now what is the second one? I need a blank to cut this onion. Then what you have to put in the dash? For cut onion, what you used? You used sharp knife. What you used? Sharp knife. Then you write it here, sharp knife. Third one, he has grown dash in his garden. What you grown in the garden? And what's the answer? Beautiful flowers. What you grown? Beautiful flowers. Okay. Now question number 4. Look at those dash, it's going to rain. Then what's the answer? Dark cloud. What's the answer? Dark cloud. Question number 5. Can you open the window? Question mark. You need some. Then whenever you open the window, what you need? You need fresh air. What you need? Fresh air. Question number 6. Seema has worked very hard this year. She need a, what she need? Long holiday. What she need? Long holiday. It is cold and I want to have a bath, but there's no. In cold, what you need? In cold, what you need? For bath, hot water. You need hot water. Okay, then question number 9 also completed. There is no homework for question number 9. Now come to contraction. What's the meaning of contraction? See here, definition is given here. A contraction is a short way of writing two words. It is formed by putting two words together and leaving out one or more letters. An apostrophe is used to show where something is left out as. See, a contraction is a shortened version of the written and spoken form of word. That means whenever you write it in short, that time contraction you used. Contractions which are sometimes called short form also. Understood? Mostly we have contraction with auxiliary verb. When we make a contraction, we commonly put an apostrophe in place of a missing letter. Okay, see the example. I am. I apostrophe am. We will. We apostrophe double L. I know this all are easy for you. Now you are in class 8th. These all are not difficult for you. See the examples. So many examples are given here. Whenever you get time, please take out the books and see the examples. Write a short form of contraction for each of the following. See, these all are easy. I told you few questions. After then you do it as a homework. See, I am. What do you have to write here? I apostrophe am. Okay. It is. It apostrophe s. And from 2 to 4 you do it homework. Okay. We are. We apostrophe re. See question number 8. Are not. That means are and apostrophe t. This all easy. I know that you can do it in yourself only. For you, not difficult to do it. Okay, this is your homework. No doubt here. Now comes to question number 9. Decide what the underlined contractions stand for in each of sentence. First one, she apostrophe s been a problem for us. What do you have to write here? She has. What do you have to write here? She has. Okay. Now she apostrophe d. Be in trouble, you know. And what you have to write here? She could. Third one, if I apostrophe d money, I apostrophe d had bought it for her. Then here 2 blanks given. First you write it. In first blank you write I had, and in second you write I would. Okay. First is your I. If I had money, I would have bought it for her. Okay. Fourth one, it's Shimla that they apostrophe are going to on holiday. Then it is Shimla they are going to an holiday. That means it is and they are. Both you have to write it. Fifth one, she apostrophe s been on leave for 10 days this month. What do you have to write here? She has. Okay. Now comes to question number 12. Circle and number each contraction in the following story. Then write on the line the 2 words in each contraction. See, one story is given here. With this, you have to find out the contraction and you have to write it here. Like this, I told you. See, first one is your that. Okay. And what you have to write here? That apostrophe is. That means that is. Okay. After then, you have to find out where the next it's. What you have to write here? It is. Like that. Very easy, not difficult to find out from the story. I apostrophe m. What you have to write here? I am. Then let apostrophe s. What you have to write here? Let us. See here. Here apostrophe s. What do you have to write here? Here is. Like this only you have to find out and write it in here. Here. One example is there. That's you that write it. That is. Like this all you have to fill by seeing the story. Understood? See, in this way we complete activity sheet 4, that is based on 2.3 and 2.4. Please complete your activity sheet as soon as possible with pencil, not with pen. Okay? Don't forget to write with pencil. Thank you, students.